Hello my friends, here's SAkGUY and today I want to make a little unboxing with you. This package I got today from Switzerland, and I think there are some nice Swiss Army knives inside. And now I want to open it. Yes, let's have a look. Here's a nice old, what's the size? It's 84mm with the old reamer style. An old soldier, model 51 from 52. Very nice. Alex soldier. Here we have a red soldier from Wenger. Here in the box, let's have a look. It's a special edition Niklas from Flüe. I think it was a Christmas present for the employees of Victorinox. I will make another video to show you this knife exactly. Yes, it's a nice Pioneer. Victoria blade stamp. And very beautiful here. It's the first type of this model with the old reamer. Very nice piece. Here we have Swiss Flame. I think this model is called Camp Flame when it's with when it has the wood saw. Yes, it's in a nice used condition. Here's the mag light. Very nice. Oh yes. This is a special Spartan with special scales. It was a long dream of me to get this special Spartan. I will make an extra video only for this. Oh, this is heavy. Little Alox. Elsener Swiss 48 soldier knife. It's a little bit dirty. Maybe I show you in a video how I restore this knife. Another soldier knife from 1940. Nice snap. Oh, this is very heavy. Oh, nice. A Wenger, I think 57. Let's have a look. Yes, 57. It's a Grillon model. Here we have no stamp. It's a civilian model. Oh, sorry. Here you can see Victoria, Switzerland blade stamp, and it's, I think it's chromed. Very interesting. I can show you another blade. Here you can see the different. Very interesting. I have to ask some friends why it's so shiny. Oh, here we have a Fireman, new condition with liner lock. Yeah, it's new. It's no longer available from Victorinox, this knife. The rescue tool is the knife which is built for this. It's also so shiny. It's from 49, a soldier model with damaged scales. 49 is the birth year of my father. I want to make wood scales on this knife. I will show you in an extra video. It's a soldier model here. And another soldier. It's interesting scales. It's from Elsener 48. Oh, it's a box. Oh no. Ah, I know what it is. Here we have, maybe you know this knife from another video. It's a 500 million knife from Victorinox here. You can find the link of this video in, down here. I will give you the link. Very nice. This knife was produced 3,400 times and only available for the employees of Victorinox around over the world. Here we have a red soldier, an old 84mm knife. Oh yeah, it's nice. It's a simple solo farmer's knife. Blade is very good condition. It's not sharp. It's a nice piece to make it shiny again. Oh, here, my friend. You know that I mean you. It's a very interesting Victorinox model. I think it's a working knife for an electrician or something like this. It's a fine screwdriver. Here it's another screwdriver. Yes, it's a saw. And here the reamer. Yes, I'll put it here. It's for a friend. And here another soldier. And again a soldier. Here we have a Vanguard 54. I think this is also for my friend. Oh, this is an interesting knife. 84 millimeters with a large blade. A bottle opener. It's not a combo tool, it's a bottle opener. And scissors. And that's all. And my friends, this is not a golfer. You can comment it, maybe you know what this model is, but it's not a golfer because there's no corkscrew. Yes, this is a gourmet with 2 blades and a corkscrew. And this is a lumberjack. So maybe the snow we have. No, I think that was the box. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yes, maybe you want to comment it and keep on watching my channel. Thank you. Have a nice evening.